Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of carbonyl compounds. Here, generally the carbonyl compounds undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. For example, here this is the ketone. Ketone when we react with nucleophile to give alkoxide ion. This alkoxide ion when we react with electrophile to give product. Generally, aldehydes and ketones and benzaldehydes etc. compounds undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. Now I will say reactions of nucleophilic addition reaction of carbonyl compounds. Now we will see one example. This is the ketone when we react with nucleophile to give alkoxide ion. This alkoxide ion when we react with electrophile to give product. Actually, benzaldehyde is more reactive than ketone because in aldehyde only one plus I group is there. That's why the availability of electrophile is more at aldehyde when compared to ketone, because in a ketone 2 plus I group is there. Here the 2 plus I groups can neutralize the positive charge at carbon. That's what the availability of positive charge at ketone is less when compared to aldehyde. That's what the aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. Here also the aldehyde and benzaldehyde. Here the aldehyde is more reactive than benzaldehyde because here aldehyde positive charge, the electrophile availability of electrophile is more at aldehyde, because in benzaldehyde due to mesomeric effect here positive charge localization is taking place from ortho para positions. That's what the availability of positive charge at benzaldehyde is less. That's what the aldehyde is more reactive than benzaldehyde. We'll see another example also. Anisile benzaldehyde and nitrobenzaldehyde. Nitrobenzaldehyde is more reactive than anisile benzaldehyde because here in anisile benzaldehyde the plus I group is there, plus M group is there. That's what can neutralize the carbocation of benzaldehydes, because in nitrobenzaldehyde here the nitro group is a minus I groups and it attracts electron from the benzene ring. That's what the availability of carbocation or availability of electrophile is more in nitrobenzaldehyde. That's what the nitrobenzaldehyde is more reactive than anisole benzaldehydes. Now we will see examples of nucleophilic addition reactions of carbonyl compounds one by one. Here here the screen is not visible. Screen is not visible. RCOH. This aldehyde is more reactive than RCOR because here only one plus I group is there here. Here the 2 plus I group is there. 2 plus I group is there. 2 plus I group is there. Here only 1 plus I groups. So here 1 plus I groups can neutralize the positive charge available at carbon. This is less. Here 2 plus groups. That's what the availability of positive charge at carbon is more here. That's what it is more reactive than this. Okay, we will see another example also. Here benzaldehyde is more reactive than benzaldehyde because here in a benzaldehyde plus M group is there. Here the availability of electron at carbon is less because here this this carbocation is neutralized by this benzene ring. That's what the availability of electron at carbocation is less here. That's what this benzaldehyde is more reactive than this. We'll see another example. Is anisole benzaldehyde and nitrobenzaldehyde. Here anisole benzaldehyde. Anisole benzaldehyde. is a plus M effect because this initial group can donate electron to the benzene ring, and this benzene ring neutralizes the positive charge at carbon. That's what this is, here the availability of electron is less here. When compared to nitrobenzaldehyde, here nitro group is a electron withdrawing group. It can attract electron from benzene ring. That's what here the electron density decreases. Then again this ring can attract electron from this carbon. That's what a carbon acquired positive charge. That's what the availability of electrophile availability of electron deficient center here is more when compared to anisole benzaldehyde. That's what the nitrobenzaldehyde is more reactive than anisole benzaldehydes. Now we will see a number of examples of nucleophilic reaction of carbonyl compounds. Here aldehyde or keto group, when you react with hydrogen cyanide to give cyanohydrin, or CONU minus HCN, cyanohydrin, or COHCN, here CN. Here the carbonyl compound, when we react with hydrogen cyanide to give cyanohydrin or COCN minus come and attack here, and H plus come and attack at these oxide ions, and HCN or cyanohydrin, same here ketone, when you react sodium bisulfite to give adduct. The first one reaction with HCN, next reaction with sodium bisulfite, reaction with sodium bisulfite, reaction with sodium bisulfite. Reaction with sodium bisulfite. Sodium reaction with sodium bisulfite. Here the aldehyde, when you react with sodium bisulfite NaHSO3 to gives RCOHSO3 Na and R. Adduct is obtained here. Here the aldehyde, when you react with sodium bisulfite to gives adduct. Third one is the reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. Addition of ammonia and its derivatives. A reaction with ammonia and its derivatives. Reaction with ammonia. Here 6 molecules of formaldehyde, when you react with 4 molecules of ammonia to give hexamethylene tetramine, that is also called erotropine. 6 molecules of formaldehyde, when you react with 4 molecules of ammonia to give hexamethylene tetramine, hexamethylene, tetramine, hexamethylene, tetramine. That is also called urotropine. 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 And this is the here urotropine structure is like this. N N N N This is the structure of urotropine. Now here aldehyde, when we react with hydroxylamine to gives aldoxame. Aldehyde, when we react with hydroxylamine to gives aldoxame. Now reaction with hydroxylamine. Reaction with hydroxylamine. Reaction with aldoxame. Reaction with hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine. RCH. Aldehyde, when you react with hydroxylamine NH2OH, by losing one water molecule, it gives aldoxame. RCH double bond NOH, aldoxame. Losing water molecules gives aldoxame. Here same ketone, when you react with hydroxylamine to gives ketoxame. Here the aldehyde, when you react with hydroxylamine to gives aldoxame. Here same ketone, when we react with hydroxylamine to gives ketoxame. Here ketone, when you react with hydroxylamine to gives ketoxame. Here aldehyde, when you react with hydrogen to gives hydrazone. Next reaction with hydrogen. Here once again I am repeating. Here reaction with ammonia. Here 6 molecules of formaldehyde, when you react with 4 molecules of ammonia to give hexamethylene tetramine, that is also called urotropine. And here same aldehyde, when we react with hydroxylamine to give aldoxame. Here say instead of aldehyde, if you react with ketone, this hydroxylamine to gives ketoxame. Reaction with hydrogen. Here the aldehyde, when we react with hydrogen to gives hydrazone. Here aldehyde, when you react with hydrogen, by losing one water molecule gives hydrazone. By losing one water molecule, here aldehyde, when you react with hydrogen to gives hydrazone. Here same aldehyde, when you react with phenyl hydrogen to gives phenylhydrazone. Here same this is reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen. Next, reacts with phenyl hydrogen. Reaction with phenyl hydrogen. Here, aldehyde, when you react with phenyl hydrogen, it gives phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone react with aldehyde to give phenyl hydrazone. Here, the aldehyde is when we react with 2,4-DNP to gives 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Orange red PPT is obtained here. Here, the reaction with 2,4-DNP. Reaction with 2,4-DNP. 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone. Here, benzaldehyde means aldehyde when we react with 2,4-DNP, here aldehyde when you react with 2,4-DNP by losing water molecule to gives 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone, which is a orange red PPT. By losing water molecule, two comma 4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone. 2,4 phenyl hydrazone. Shown orange red. Orange red PPT is obtained here. So this is about the reaction of 2,4-DNP with aldehyde. Here the same aldehyde when we react with semi-carbazoid to give semi-carbazole. Aldehyde when we react with semi-carbazoid to gives semi-carbazole. Semi-carbazole. Semi-carbazole is obtained here. This is the few chemical properties of carbonyl compounds. We will see again in next class.